Hey drone friends, this is Adam at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Happy Friday morning and welcome to our Drone Weekly News Roundup. I have 3 stories to share with you this week. Our first story will cover the 2 winners of our 2023 Drone Technology College Scholarship. Our next story talks about Portuguese drones that can shoot water to fight fires. And our third story will show how Sky Elements set a Guinness World Record with a July 4th drone light show. Also, here are some job listings in the drone industry this week for anyone interested. Swift Roofing LLC is looking for a drone pilot in Detroit, Michigan. Virtuance is looking for a real estate photographer partner and drone pilot in Mill Creek, Washington. JAS Unmanned Aerial Services is looking for a drone pilot in St. Louis, Missouri. And RPO International is looking for a drone operator in College Station, Texas. With that said, let's fly in. We launched the Drone Technology College Scholarship in 2018 to provide financial support to college students who demonstrate an interest in pushing the drone industry forward. Every year, we award 2 scholarships of $1,000 each to 2 current or rising college students. Big congratulations to this year's winners, Carson Yener and Roger Prisbilla, both of whom had excellent essays and showed a real dedication to doing work that will advance drone technology and its uses for good. So congrats to both of you, and we can't wait to see where your drone interest will take you. Our next story talks about a newly developed Portuguese drone that has been specifically designed to combat fires by spraying water onto them. The drone suspends its fire-resistant hose, while 2 jets positioned on either side shoot water from the hose when the drone hovers approximately 50 feet above the fire. Unlike other firefighting drones that carry water as a payload, this Portuguese model eliminates the need for the drone to bear a heavy load as it remains connected to a fire truck. This connection enables the drone to continuously discharge water without the burden of carrying it directly. I think this is a great example of ways drones are beginning to provide additional support to certain industries, especially dangerous ones. And finally, during the 4th of July weekend, drone light show company Sky Elements produced a whopping 40 drone light shows. Not only that, but they also secured a new Guinness World Record for their display featuring over 1,000 drones forming the words Happy 4th of July 2023. Sky Elements had previously made headlines by pranking Dallas with a QR code light show that led to a Rick Astley Never Gonna Give You Up video, a popular internet meme known as a Rickroll. To witness the entire groundbreaking drone light show, click the link down below. And before we wrap up, just a reminder to keep submitting your best drone-y photos and videos for a chance to win a $50 Amazon gift card. Enter with the first link in the description. Alright, that's all we have for this week. As always, check out the links below to read more about each story. Also, show us some love by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. And now I'll pass it off to you. What do you think about the Portuguese drone that can help fight fires? And what about Sky Elements breaking the world record? Comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I hope you all have a great weekend. And to all of our drone pilots out there, blue skies and safe flying.